It's okay to be different. 1 Minute Inspirations, Henry Street Church of Christ. I beseech you, therefore, brethren, by the mercies of God, that you present your bodies a living sacrifice, holy, acceptable to God, which is your reasonable service. And do not be conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind, that you may prove what is that good and acceptable and perfect will of God. It's certainly okay to be different spiritually from the rest of the world. Yes, it will earn us ridicule by many people in the world. This too is okay, because when man ridicules you, God praises you. At the end of the day, we labor for the praise of God instead of the praise of man. For example, man says to hate your enemy, but the nonconformist in us as Christians tells us to love them no matter what. The world says to take revenge, but the nonconformist in us allows God to take revenge only. Man says for us to take advantage of others when opportunities arise, but the nonconformist in us says that we are to deal honestly with all men. The world may reject you for being different, but you still have like-minded people in the church that are there to support you and are going through the same types of pressures you are going through. However, we all win together as we support each other as Christians. Furthermore, when you are truly striving to do the right things in life, despite the pressures of this life, God is working with you, comforting you, and strengthening you to excel at being a nonconformist. God bless you. Thanks for listening. The message is yours. This is a ministry of the Henry Street Church of Christ.